So next naman natin is cubo binomial naman. So yung formula naman ng cubo binomial is first, cube the first term plus 3 times square the first term times the second term plus 3 times first term times square root of the second term plus cube of the second term. Okay? Pag minus naman siya, same formula lang din pero iba na yung kanyang sign. Nag-alternate naman yung sign niya. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay? Yun lang yung pagkakaiba nila. So, gamitin natin yung formula sa example natin. For number 1, so first term natin is 2, second term natin is 2x. So, i-cube natin siya. Formula, first, cube the first term. So, 2 yung first term natin. So, cube natin siya. Plus, 3 times the square root of the first term, which is 2, times the second term, 2x. Plus, 3 times first term, 2 times square root of the second term. Then plus cube of the second term, 2x cubed. Okay? Nabit lang natin yung formula. Then simplify lang natin. 2 cube is 8. 3 times 2 squared, that is 4. 3 times 4, 12. Times 2, 24. X. Plus 3 times 2, that is 6. 2 squared, that is 4. 6 times 4, 24. Times x to the power of 2, x squared. Plus 2 cubed, that is 8. X cubed is x cubed. Okay? So, ito na yung final answer natin. For number 2. So, dito, naka-minus naman siya. So, ito naman yung gamitin nating formula. First term natin is 2x, second term is 3. So, gamitin natin yung formula. First is cube the first term. So, cube natin yung first term. Minus 3 times the square of the first term times the second term, 3. Then plus 3 times first term, that is 2x, times the square root of the second term. 3, square daw natin. Squared. Minus cube of the second term. So, cube natin siya. Okay? So, simplify lang. 2 cube is 8. X cube. Minus 3 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. 3 times 4, 12. Times 3. 12 times 3, 36. Times x squared. Plus 3 times 2, that is 6. 3 squared is 9. 6 times 9, that is 54. Times x. Then minus 3 cubed. 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27. Okay? So, ito na yung final answer natin.